Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys Infinix phone setting guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you check your build number in your Infinix phone. Guys, you want to check your build number in your Infinix phone. So guys, you can check it, and guys, now let's see how to check build number in our Infinix phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends how can you check your phone build number. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so guys, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So guys, now time to start video friends. First of all guys, open your phone setting to check your build number. Then guys, you can see this type of settings size, this type of settings. So guys, what will you have to do guys? You can see guys your my phone settings. So guys, tap here and guys scroll it. Then guys, you can see guys your build number from here guys. And guys, you want to on guys developer more options. So guys, you can on from here guys 2 and 3 times guys, tap here. No need, you are already a developer. So I hope friends you have understood how to check build number in our Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So bye bye friends, before going guys, please go and like my video.